Hello, my name is Denise Mackenzie, and I'm the Managing Partner of Place Trust, a revolutionary model seeking to restore data sovereignty to governments, while making mapping more accessible, responsibly used, and trusted for those that need it most. As mapping has moved to digital, many governments around the world are struggling to produce maps for the public good. Instead, the space is being filled by large platforms who leverage the data for efficiency and scale around an ad-based revenue model. It means areas with low economic activity, which is much of the world, are not of interest for the private mapping platforms. This creates data deserts, and these deserts need the data more than anywhere else. It also means a power imbalance deepens between those that have the power of platforms to access maps and those that don't. So why is it a problem? Well, populations across Africa are growing rapidly and urbanising, yet we have little data of a scale desperately needed for investment, planning, environment, housing and climate resilience. Basically, we have large-scale problems with little or no data. So I'd like to tell you a little of how Place helps. We start by forming a partnership with the government and provide funding for local partners to collect data. We collect two types of data: ultra-high resolution aerial imagery and street view imagery. Once the data has been captured and standardised, the primary ownership is transferred to the government, and at the same time the government gifts a copy of the data to the Place Trust to be held in perpetuity. The Trust ensures the data is securely stored and accessible to our Place community members. All organisations in good standing can apply for membership and are vetted through a KYC process to ensure they'll be responsible and trusted users of the data. The members may be commercial or non-commercial users, but all value-added or derived works become the property of the member. Members of Place Community financially contribute via membership dues, and if commercial users, a further licence fee. This last piece of the model creates a financially self-sustaining ecosystem that ensures Place can continue an annual update and collection in each of the countries well into the future. With partners and champions in countries across the world, Place Trust is disrupting the traditional geospatial model to restore data sovereignty to governments while making mapping imagery more accessible, responsibly used and trusted. Thank you for the nomination of Geospatial Initiative of the Year.